This demonstration is going to show you how to use the 3D Edge function. Now this will let you do, you can essentially create all sorts of different shapes, bowl type shapes, pyramid shapes, edges that are kind of like crown molding, and that sort of stuff. So the first example we're going to do here is we're going to make sort of like a seafood tray, bar top tray, something like that, that has a tapered underside. So what you need to have is an outline of an edge, and either an outline that's like this, that's a rectangle, or just a straight line. You need to have the shape and then a line drawn that's going to represent the edge of the shape. So once you have these two drawn, up here in the draw button, you can click on that, and down at the bottom it says 3D Edge. I'm going to click on that. It's prompting us to click the geometry you want to add a 3D Edge entity to. That would be this. And now it's added these two nodes. This node represents what edge it's on, and then this node adjusts how far the edge comes in from the line. And this is sort of how you adjust the cutting depth as well. Now let's look at the bit properties. Contour inside, that's correct. We're going to start off with a depth of 3. This will all be adjusted later on. Once you get into 3D view and look at it, then you make some adjustments to it. This is going to be with a 1/2 inch bit and 45% overlap. These values you'll have to put in each time. On this item tab, this is the last thing that you got to do, is here you have to define what the 3D edge is going to go from. So we click here, click on the line. You'll want to have the edge or the line that you're working with, have that be a drawing aid, because the depth will essentially be put in with this node and the angle of the line here. So let's check on the 3D view. And you can see if it's too deep, it's going to automatically generate 2 passes. So we can adjust how far this comes in. We can adjust the angle. Now it's a lot more flat. You can also, we can adjust the depth here as well. Right now it's above the surface, so if we just bring that in, a little bit better. So that's pretty easy. I mean, you just play around with it a few times and you'll get the hang of changing the depth with the node here, the angle on this. If you don't like which way it's going, you can mirror it. And now it, concave, convex type thing. If you were to make, say you wanted this whole surface to be cut, you could draw another rectangle inside here. You can do just a regular flat spiral pocket on the inside, and now that'll essentially cut out a whole tray for you. A couple other examples here are, if you want to make a bowl, same sort of thing. You have to have the edge drawn, whatever shape you want to have that, with a line that's going to represent the shape of the 3D edge. And we've gone to the drawn button, clicked 3D edge, and added it to this outline. Or you can look, and it's created a bowl. This 3D model will give you a better idea of kind of the depth and how it looks. This 3D model function gives you a little better idea on the depth and how it's going to look in the ice. couple other examples here are triangle. So you can decide whether you want it to be concave or convex. If you mirror the line there, it changes things around. And you can also add shape to the edge. Shows it right here. Here's the last example. This is just a straight line, and we've added the 3D edge to it, and then we have the shaping line over on the side here. So you can see that it really adds some unique characteristics. It gives you the ability to alter things as you go. We use it a lot. I think it's a great little function.